Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to know which OS you have before changing anything. Open Settings and verify Windows 11 or Windows 10. That determines the method. Once done, unlock immediate action. If you see Windows 11, go straight to Personalization taskbar. If you're on Windows 10, download Taskbar X or plan the toolbar trick. Make sure you have admin rights and a short restart planned. This saves time. Start the built-in path for Windows 11 or the third-party route for Windows 10 now. For Windows 11, open Settings, go to Personalization then Taskbar, expand taskbar behaviors and set taskbar alignment to center. That centers pinned apps and system icons automatically. For Windows 10, run Taskbar X. Extract Open Taskbar Configurator, choose Centering Style and Animation, then press Apply. You can change icon size and spacing to refine the look. Make sure to enable the option to start Taskbar X with Windows, so the center alignment. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer or rebooting so the new alignment fully applies. Pin your frequently used apps and arrange them toward the center. Unpin items you don't need to tighten the group. If you use Taskbar X, confirm it's running and set to start with Windows. That prevents drift. If icons aren't centered, toggle the alignment setting, restart Explorer, or relaunch Taskbar X. One troubleshooting tip: if odd spacing persists, temporarily change icon size or hide system icons, then revert. That often forces a correct redraw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.